this is a Lennox unit. You said you want a tutorial on dip switches, and I know I asked you early on about the variable speed blow motor. This is how you could tell this is a variable speed. See the Molex plug? You see the module on the back of the motor? That's that big silver thing. That's the module with the Molex plug plugged into. Every time you do a unit like this, you gotta always remember to remove this lock shipping bolt, which goes right here, and it tells you that right here also. So remove shipping bolt after the unit's been installed, etc. Yeah, so basically this is a two-stage furnace with a variable speed motor. You have some dip switches that you have to set, which is right here. These are dip switches. It goes from 1 to 15, and if you look in the book, it tells you how to program it with a single stage thermostat. So if you read right here, let's see, right here it says switch 1, thermostat selection. Then we go straight to the point because it'll take longer. Select off for two-stage heating operation controlled by a two-stage heating thermostat. We are using single-stage thermostat, so you're going to click switch 1 to the on position for two-stage heating operation controlled by a single-stage heating thermostat, which is what we're using. So switch 1, go back up here to the board, go over right here, and flip that on. Alright, that's it for that one. He said he wanted to know about the fan speed and so forth. You see fan speed for switch 5 and 6. If you want low, you click the switch on, switch 5 and 6 on. If you want medium low, so forth. They automatically come on high from the factory, which is off. Go over to the dip switch and showed you. Basically switch 5 and 6 is off. So if you want to change that to medium high, which I will change it down to, I'm gonna switch 5 to the on position and leave 6 in the off position. Let me go back over here to the medium high. It says switch on and leave the other one on. That's how you select the motor speed in the cooling mode. If you want to change anything else with the dip switches, you go to the following page and so forth. This is the ramping stage. Usually I always pick for the motor to run 100% all the time, which is ramping option D, which is you gotta put your dip switch 9 in the on position and the dip switch 10 in the on position. It automatically come from the factory in the off position, which is the ramping option A. If you want to change the other stuff, you know, it says dip switch 15, 14, 11, 12, 13. Now, over on this side, you see some model numbers up on the top here, and then down on the bottom here. So you gotta look at whatever model number your furnace is. Let me go right here and look at it. It says el296 UH070. We'll go back over here to the book and look for 296 UH070 XV36. So we're looking at this category. Right now we have, what size outdoor unit? Right now we have a 2.5 ton outdoor unit, which requires 1000 CFM. So for cooling mode, we want 1000 CFM. So we go straight to whichever one here give us 1000 CFM in second stage. So 1000 CFM, this is closest to the 1000 CFM, so we put it on medium high plus minus. get 1000 CFM, which is here, or you could go right here. Either one, 1000 CFM. So it could be medium low or medium high. Before, previously I showed you, and I put mine on medium high. Anything else on this page? Anything else you should be able to, walk through it, read the book, go through it, change the dip switches, so forth. This is a zone system, so basically there's no common wire coming from the board to the equipment on the zone board. No common. Only common is used is on the thermostat side. All lights is, well, zone 1 is on, zone 2 and 3 is off, cool is being called, and the fan is on. This is the DAT sensor, 24 volts, and so forth. I explained to you before in the previous video. Let's move on up. Let's see what else there is. The manual bypass damper. Up there we have a zone damper, which is for zone 1. This is a special type of damper. Let me show you on here. So if you move this over to the plus sign, it will allow this knob to open 100%. If you put it back over to the minus side, it will only take away, not allow this orange level to open to a fuller position.